Joe. Joanna but Joe. I'm 35. Okay, I'm not 35. I'm 40-ish. You know what? I'd rather not say my age because my belief is that we should not be defined by our age. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Human. But my background is Greek Cypriot. I live in Australia, in New South Wales, on the Central Coast. I work in retail, fashion retail. I have a brother, 7 years, almost 8 years, my junior. I love palm trees. I have a few, but two that I can think of on the top of my head. One is by Coco Chanel, and it goes like this. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. And the other one, I'm not sure who the other one's by. I think it may be unknown, but it's about love, and it goes like this. True love can never be found where it doesn't truly exist, yet it can never be hidden where it truly does. So true, right? I love that one. I have two kittens called Shadow and Luna. I love everything in my wardrobe because, well, I picked it, so of course I love it. But I guess the most expensive item in my wardrobe would have to be my vintage Chanel bag. It's just classic and beautiful, and I've always wanted one. And I always love the vintage ones a lot more than the more modern ones. So yeah, that would have to be one. And also my antique ring. See that there? And I bought it from an antique store in Terrigal on the Central Coast for my 40th birthday. My dream job would have to be, without doubt, a professional traveler. So I get paid to travel the world and vlog about it. That would be my dream job. Reality TV. So Vanderpump Rules. I love that show so much, my God. The debauchery on that show, wow, so different from my life. That's why I probably love it so much. And The Real Housewives, the whole franchise. I think I love all of them and watch all of them, except for maybe Washington. I don't know, there's probably a couple I don't watch, but other than that, I watch all of them. My son, Gabriel, he's 12. Well, it would have to be to travel the world, you know, to see as much of this planet before I kick the bucket. Yeah. World peace. Anything Italian. I mean, I don't eat it every day. I wish I could eat it every day. I cannot possibly indulge in Italian food as much as I like, but it is my favorite. Pasta, pizza, I mean, cheese, wine. I don't drink wine. I don't know why I said that, but just Italian. Italian food. I must have been Italian in another life, for sure. Gelato. You know, just tomatoes and... stop. We have to change the subject. Love. not romantic love, just love in very general terms. Love for everybody, for your family, for your kids, for your siblings, for your friends, for your neighbor, for everybody. Love and happiness. You know, do what makes you happy. You know, even if it makes no sense to anybody else, as long as it makes sense to you, do what makes you happy. Coffee, without question. Pepsi Max. I know it's so bad for me and it'll probably give me cancer, but I love it so much, and it can't be Diet Coke or Coke Zero or anything. It needs to be Pepsi Max. Ask anyone who knows me and they'll tell you. I mean, how do I don't even sound like myself. What? This is so weird talking to a camera. Like, my voice doesn't even sound like this in real life. Like, are you kidding me? Are people gonna really watch this?